Hello friends, Revolver 44 here. I have something very different to show you today. This is just a little refresh of our kitchen that we did, my wife and I. Just gonna bring you through this. Something we're kind of proud of. It may not be to your taste, but we like it. First of all, what we did was we repainted all the walls. They were red before. Now they're a nice bright yellow color. The cabinets are old, but they're still nice. They're maple. I also added a piece of crown molding trim on the top of the cabinets to cover the seam that was there from us boxing them in. Come out pretty nice. My wife bought those curtains, they're really nice. That's an old chandelier we've had up for a long time. Out there is a radiator cover that I made out of pine. It's my own design. This is a cheap island that I made from two cabinets from the Christmas tree shop. I just screwed them together and I made a pine top to put on there. I painted it white, and my wife just finished painting those gold knobs. Did a nice job on those. Yeah, see how it's joined together right in the middle there and caulked. That's my girl Ginny. It's the other side of it. Come out really nice. And down the hallway here, you can see the wainscoting. We added the wainscoting too all the way around the lower part of the kitchen. Here's my wife's kind of cross stitch on the wall. Got a little wall gallery of pictures on the wall here. This is the hallway again. We did all the doors over again with this molding. Dresses up the doors. They were just plain pine stained like this before. You can see the back side of the door. We didn't finish it because we had all the kids' measurements on there. That's how they looked, what they looked like before. And this really dressed them up and put new doorknobs on also. Yeah, just a general refresh of the kitchen. I put all new outlets in also, and switches and cover plates. Wife did a beautiful job painting this hallway light. We have a new mouse hole cat door for the cats to get on cellar and do their business. Now the floor is old, but it's still nice. It's a tile floor that I put in many years ago. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little idea of something you could do to refresh your kitchen. It didn't cost a whole lot of money. I probably have maybe $1,000, a little less probably materials with this refresh, but we love it. It's pretty basic, but and the countertops are new also. The countertops and the faucet. And you see the backsplash is all beadboarded also. Yeah, it's nothing really fancy, but We like it. I put that little, my wife made that little design too on top of the sink. I cut that out. That was part of the boxing in of the cabinets. That crown molding on the top of the cabinets there, that really made a big difference as far as hiding the seam and dressing it up a little bit. So that's all we have to show you about this room today. The next room we do will be the dining room. That'll be that's this room here. That'll be in the fall when the weather cools off. Well, thanks for watching. This is Revolver 44. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing more content to you soon. Thanks for watching. God bless.